Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Subway Surfers without collecting coins. This unique challenge focuses on pure survival and obstacle avoidance. Your main goal is to achieve the highest score possible while intentionally bypassing every single coin. It requires heightened awareness and quick reflexes to navigate the tracks. We will explore specific strategies to help you master this exciting and difficult play style, pushing your skills to their absolute limit. To effectively avoid coins, you must develop a keen eye for the track ahead. Always prioritize paths that are completely free of coins, even if it means taking a slightly more challenging route. When faced with a single coin or a short line, jump over it rather than sliding or moving around it. Remember, the hoverboard can automatically collect coins, so it is best to avoid using it for this specific challenge. When playing without coins, your power-up strategy shifts significantly. Focus on collecting score multipliers, like the 2x multiplier, to boost your points without touching any currency. Absolutely avoid coin magnets and super sneakers, as they will inevitably draw coins to you. The jetpack can be useful for covering distance, but use it cautiously, as it might inadvertently guide you through coin formations. For advanced no-coin play, maintaining a consistent pace and anticipating obstacles are crucial. Practice in less chaotic sections of the game to refine your precise movements and coin avoidance techniques. Challenge yourself to reach significant milestones, like 100,000 points, without collecting a single coin. This play style truly tests your mastery of the game's mechanics, rewarding perfect dodges and long, uninterrupted runs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.